Hi everyone. From this video, I will going to start a new series that is called the 21 days SQL challenge. It is the SQL challenge that is conducted by the Indian Data Club, and every day you will get one kind of question that you have to solve, and at the end of 21 days, you become like nice in SQL. So for that, let's begin. The first, the how you will get the data set. I will show you how you can get the data set. Uh, I will provide the link of this uh, website or Notion page into the description so you can go from like move from that part to this side also. So the first thing here, you have to download the data set. The data set you can go to the hospitality bed management available at Kaggle. You click here. Now, once you click, you will get to see this is the download section. Click in the download section, and I'm clicking download as a zip file. But I'm not logged in yet, so I have to log in first. And now download it. Okay. Now I can see this is the that file I have in download section. This is the file, and just extract this file. Extract all. Extract here. Okay. Now you got the all the values. This is the I'm giving the name of this file 20 21 days SQL challenge. Now go to the SQL workbench to load that data into the SQL. What you have to or what you can do, you can go to the MySQL workbench first, and here you can see the plus icon, or you can if you have any database already, you can click any of this one. I'm giving my password. Okay, now I got this file, right? Now uh, what I you have to do, you have to create the database. The name of the database is this one. uh, this thing you have to write here, because I already created, that's why it's showing. I will not going to create right now. So you have to create database SQL challenge and use SQL challenge. Okay, this thing you have to write, and once you write, you will get this file here. After that, you have to press refresh it, and then you will get to see the SQL challenge. Now click here. After clicking, you have to export the data. So how you can export? You can right click here and you go to the table data import wizard. Now you have to select the path. I will going to do this one, open, and it will open. Now if you next press next, it will going to load. Okay, now you press next, and then you can get the data into your that workbook easily. But I already uh, import all the data, so I will not going to do this thing again. So just cancel this thing, but in your case you have to load all the data in the same process. So there is total four data values, that is this one. First one is patient. Once you load the data, you will get this kind of table. First one is patient service weekly staff schedule. Okay, now to see the data, what you can do, you can hover over this patient ID, and there is you are seeing this table option. Click here, you can see this kind of data. So this is your first SQL query, guys. And once you select it, and there is the execute button, you can see, you just click here, you can see these things. Right now, in the next process, we have to do some challenges that is provided in this SQL challenge. So let's see the challenges here. The first challenge, uh, the first challenge that we have for the day one is, it is that uh, retrieve all the columns from the patient table, right? So you have to retrieve all the columns from patient table. So how you can do? You can go here. You can see this is the patient. So if you click here, you will get the all the patient table, right? This is simple, very simple, folks. Now the second you can do, select only patient ID, name, and age to your table. So for that, I'm just go to the my work, and if you press to iPhone, you can uh, comment it. So control base. Select only patient ID, name, and age column from the data table. So what you can do, in place of this star, star means it will going to select all the values, but you want to get only value patient ID, name, age, right? So what you can do, you just remove the star and write all the patient, or what you can do, you can just select the values also. Age, control C, in place of this, press this one. But there is no end section. So in place of end, I have to remove it. Now I can see if you select this one and execute it, you will get to see this value. So these are the like my practices. Move to the next one. Display the first 10 record from the service week table. Okay, let's see. Now you have a service weekly table. I have to select only 10 records, right? Now this is the my display the only first 10 records. So what I can do, I can set the limit limit equals to 10. Then you only see the 10 value. There is multiple rows, guys, here. But if you want only 10 values, what you can do, you can just select this file and press here. You can see it is showing only 10 values. So this is the last practice, and now move to the important question for today's. So the question is, list all the unique hospital services available in the hospital. Okay, this is the challenge basically. List all the unique hospital services available in the hospital. So what I can do, I can go to the patient, right? Just select the question first. Go to the this patient ID. Uh, this is the like the tab you can like if you don't want, you can just like remove the tab by pressing in the cross icon. But in this case, I want, so just leave it like that. Control double and control V. List all the unique hospital available in the hospital, right? So what I can do, so now the unique means you have to find the unique value of services, right? So what I can do, I can just remove this thing, and to get the distinct or the unique value, you have to use the that a function that is called the distinct, and bracket, here you have to write the service. Change it. Now if you run this code, you will X and pasting here. Now, if you want to run this code, you can see these are the value. So this is the first question for the D1 challenge. Okay, so now I will create this kind of video for 21 days, and you get to know so many things from here because I will going to explain the concept so deeply, so you can get all the values, all the that formulas in your mind, and you can implement it as well. So thank you for today, guys. In the next video, like we will going to meet again. Bye.